So for this, you have to look at that the triangles are flipped. So if you have colored pencils or highlighter, it may help to highlight the sides that match. So for example, DE is similar to AB. FE is to BC. And FD is to AC. So now you can match up the colors and you should be able to set your proportion to solve. So we need to have the X, and you can do 48 over X equals 19.2 over 3.2. And notice that I just did my my big triangle to my small triangle, big triangle to small triangle. So as long as you're matching up the same way each time, you should be fine and able to create your proportion to then solve.